Alright, so this is my Google Drive. For this video, I'm supposed to show you like easy ways to navigate through my cloud storage. So these are a whole bunch of folders I have right now. I've got some random stuff like this funny picture right here of my friend. But this is the document I'm going to be moving around. So the first thing we can do is I'm going to click on it and I'm going to drag it up to my college folder. Oop, not what I meant to do. College folder. And I can take that to my freshman year, which eventually at the end of this will be a lot more. I've got some dorm stuff there, but I'm going to go ahead and take this to my EDCI, which right now this is the only thing that's in there. So in here, this is the document I've written out for the Google Drive assignment, which I'm going to share right now with my friend. I also have this open right here so you can see. Okay, get rid of that one. I've double spaced it. I'm going to go ahead and share. I don't even know if I have an email to share this to right now. Ooh, perfect. Okay. I'll just share it with my mom. And then she'll send it back to me probably under suggesting, so then she can just highlight things and it'll do, and then I can just choose to accept it or not, or she'll write it all in a different color or something like that. So hopefully that was helpful, and hopefully that works. So another thing I forgot that I wanted to show you, if I don't know if you can see that glitch, but it's glitching. Okay, sorry. Anyway, you can hit this new, and then you can make a new folder or upload something or create a new document. So if I were to go back into my drive and create a new document, we can title it, so it saves. We can go blah. There you go, perfect. And then it should be pop up down here. Right there, perfect. And then I can drag that just like I did for that document I've already written in. Perfect.